back to my vlog. Are you bored of chores? Then you came to the right place. Today, I am going to show you how to make chores fun. You might be thinking, chores are boring, how will you make it fun? But you're lucky I have a few tricks and tips up my sleeve. First, unloading the dishwasher. This is a boring chore. Organizing is relaxing, but some chores can't be made fun like others. But those chores will help you stay motivated throughout the day. Next, folding laundry. You can sort the laundry in different colors and fold it in different ways to make it fun. Finally, making the bed. If you like races, get ready. Who's going to win? The time or you? Set a timer and challenge yourself before the timer goes off. Don't forget to like and subscribe.